All right, so it's kind of a chilly day out today. Snow is not going to melt anytime soon. So I got a shop project. Let's go into the barn. Yeah, my shop's a mess. It always is. I'm just always doing something in here. I really got to make something for my ducks. I know they like the cold and stuff, but we're fixing to have some really cold nights coming up. So I'm going to cobble something together. I just ran out of time this fall. Got a bunch of scrap OSB, and OSB actually handles the elements pretty well. Just got to make it through winter into spring, and then I'll make them something a little bit nicer. Okay, so here's the plan. I don't really have a notepad up here, so hopefully you can see that. It's quite the glare from the light. But anyways, it's essentially going to be a 48 by 18 rectangle, and on the back side I'm going to have a 14-inch back wall, and then on the front I'm going to have 17-inch, and I'm going to have 2 doors in here. Just enough room for them to get in. But I forgot I also have my rooster and a loner chicken that they have to share this with. So that's why there's 48 inches. I'm not going to go too high. I don't want them perching or anything like that. Just I'm going to fill it with sawdust, and just so that they can get out of the wind. Again, chickens and ducks, they like the cold, but this is going to be bitter cold, I think, in 1 or 2 nights. So just want to get them something that gets them out of the wind. So yeah, that's the plan. Got all my material gathered up, and we'll zip through this real quick. Okay, got pretty much the frame done. Now it's time to put a lid on it. We'll just go with the plywood, and I will probably put some insulation in the floor of it. So, Daddy's over here chewing on all my scrap. This is just stuff I use in the wood stove. She's just trying to help out. Let's go ahead and put a shell on it, and then we'll take it over to the duck/chicken coop. And we'll finish this project up. All right, well, I'm running out of daylight here. Boy, you don't get much time after work anymore. So I got the house in there. There should be plenty of room. Yep, isn't that right, Wobbly? So that's our Wobbly. She was really sick when she was a chick, and the other hens just kicked her out. So I treated her. She got better, and then I thought that was it. I quit treating her. This is all natural treatment, but then she started wobbling again, and so this time I started treating her again. I went 3-4 months, and she has been great. She's a loner for sure. She does okay with the rooster rocket, but Wobbly, man, if I'm outside, if the dogs aren't with me, she's right next to me. She's just, I don't know, maybe we bonded or something. Can you do that with chickens? I don't know. She's a special bird, and her eggs are the best. They're the biggest. She does forage a lot, where the hens over there, you let them out and they go maybe 10 feet away from their coop. It's just strange, but yeah. Here's Wobbly. Is that right, Missy? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, she's trying to follow me out. I'm hoping she goes in there, nests, or at least stays warm. It's not cold out right now. It's probably like 30. It's really nice. These chickens are just fine. And the ducks. So anyways, that's a quick project. Took me probably about 45 minutes. All right, we'll leave the birds alone, and I'll sign off. Like I said, quick little project. I hope you enjoyed.